In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Beast Games in the USA. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, as you know, you cannot watch Beast Games on YouTube. You need to have Amazon Prime. So what we need to do is go to Google and then type in Amazon Prime and head on over there. And then we need to scroll down and click into Amazon.com Amazon Prime. So click into Amazon Prime. And now once we're over here at Amazon Prime, where it says search Amazon, type in Beast Games. Make sure to log in, by the way, as well. So you need to be logged in. And here it is here. So if I scroll down, this is a Prime video. So you need to have Amazon Prime in order to watch it. So from here, I'm going to click onto Beast Games. If I scroll down, it will say Beast Games episode 1, continue watching. So yeah, that's the only way to watch Beast Games. You must have Amazon Prime, and then head on over to amazon.com, type in Beast Games and click into it, and you'll come to here, and then click on which episode you want to watch.